We've built our name on hard work. Early mornings, long hauls, and cold starts. When the world slows down, we get moving. Because keeping the lights on isn't a slogan, it's who we are. We don't chase comfort, we chase performance. Every test, every weld, every turn of a wrench carries 50 years of pride. This is what expertise looks like when it's earned, not given. From Brighton to Jacksonville, from Texas heat to Colorado snow, we've powered the people and the places that matter most. Every generator that leaves our yard carries more than power. It carries a promise. A promise to deliver, no matter the weather, no matter the hour. We're the ones people call when downtime isn't an option, and we answer every time. Now we're looking forward, new tools in the hands of decades of experience, ready to tackle what comes next. Because the energy landscape is in flux. Aging infrastructure is colliding with surging demand. The grid's struggling to keep pace. Data centers are going up faster than power can follow. Rebuilding a manufacturing base takes megawatts, not kilowatts. Healthcare facilities have zero tolerance for downtime. One cold storage facility outage could destroy millions in inventory. Agriculture depends on irrigation pumps that run around the clock. Emergency services, water treatment, telecommunications. They all need backup power that answers in seconds, not minutes. As energy policy shifts, the gap between supply and reliability gets wider. That's the world we operate in, and that's exactly why we're here. Diesel, natural gas, hybrid systems, mobile power, whatever the application, whatever the fuel, we deliver solutions that don't just fill the gap, they close it. We don't wait for the future, we prepare for it. Every project, every success, every hour we've put in this year, it's all leading somewhere bigger. We've earned the right to stand tall, to look forward, to be proud, and to stay hungry. Built on expertise, driven by solutions, ready for what's next.